Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You love your life? You would have do anything to save your life and tap from dead? What you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, we are waiting for do it now. No, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I will read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 18 to verse 27. One time, Jesus today one side a pray. Him special follower them they near him and him ask them say, who the people say me be? Them answer Jesus say, some say you are John the Baptist. Other people say Elijah. But you have the one them we say you are one of the prophet them from way back when we dead and come back alive. But what about Uno? Jesus asked them. Who Uno think maybe? Peter answer, the Christ. Jesus warned them, say they no fit tell nobody. Him say, the man where God pick, I go have to go through enough sufferation. And the elder, head priest, and law teacher them, I go turn them back upon him. And them I go kill him. But after 3 days pass, him I go come back alive. Then Jesus said to all of them, say, if somebody want to turn one of me follower them have to forget about what them want. Take up them cross every day and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life, sake of me, them I go get to save them life. What good it I go do somebody if them get the whole world, but then lose their life? If anybody shame on me, and when me teach, when the man where God pick come, he ma go shame of them too. When he come, in light a go shine round him. And the light will shine around the Father and the holy angel them. I go shine around him too. Me I tell you this, and I true me attack. Some of uno will turn up yaso. Now go dead before the time come when uno see God a rule. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.